Hi friends and professional colleagues, I am Parul Chadda, Deputy Manager at Epic & Associates LLP. This is the 31st video of our web series, that is One Concept, One Slide, initiated by Epic & Associates LLP. Today we are presenting about an easy and convenient way for data storing and its management, which may be widely used by all individuals irrespective of their profession or designation in the organization. It is used to capture, manage, store, preserve, deliver data content and documents involved in organizational processes. We look forward to receiving your queries, comments and feedback by any means given on the slide. All of our videos are covering a topic updated as on the date of publication on our YouTube channel. The link to these presentations are also available in the description box of our respective videos on our YouTube channel and can be downloaded therefrom. Beginning with what this way is all about. It is the Document Management System or DMS which deals with the strategies, methods and the tools used to capture, manage, store, preserve and deliver data content and documents related to organizational processes. Keeping in mind the current scenario, which is all about the use of technology, DMS provides the tools and the strategies which streamlines the unstructured information of the organization through automation of existing manual and paper-based processes enabled by the digitization of information from an analog to digital format. That is why it is the most favored way of preserving information in an organization in the present day environment. Next is, why do we need DMS? Management of data begins with determining whether they are prepared for digital disruption or the digitization process. Digital disruption ultimately destroys and replaces physical operations with purely digital solutions. Digitization process, on the other hand, merges the best of digital and physical worlds into digital innovations that create wholly new sources of value. Management's primary task, therefore, is to change the mix of operations to compete effectively in a purely digital world. Management need for DMS arises due to DMS results in the delivery of the information to the right person at the right time, and this will streamline the business operations. To mobilize the organization to win and to transform the approach to innovation, and the management changes not only the mix of the operations but also the capabilities of the employees in and around those operations. To avoid the cost and time due to loss of original paper, and to understand the degree of digitization in the current environment and assess the future threat. Next, we will discuss the benefits of DMS. With the dramatic increase in the types of data and their respective formats, the need to integrate and share data across systems has become vital. The benefits of the management process are available in many effective and efficient ways, which are: management of documents becomes better organized by storage and control of the documents in a structured and secured manner, thereby providing timely and credible information to the management. Searching for documents is time consuming, especially when files are not kept systematically or they are misplaced. Electronic document management will eliminate the manual search and enhances employees' efficiencies and result in a faster response. The security of information is increased since the access of the information to the employees can be controlled right down to an individual page, giving the employees access only to the information which is directly related to them. Digitization process helps in the reduction in physical space requirements, since only those paper documents need to be retained for long periods which are needed for legal requirements, and a much quicker document search and retrieval system. Let us now discuss the process of digitization in an organization. First is the planning phase, in which pre-assessment steps will be determined, which includes preparation of systematic operating procedure for the whole DMS process, identification of the records across all functions of the company and location of the records for the digitization, assessment of the resource requirement, that is manpower, stationery, workspace, other equipment required for DMS, and alignment with functional heads in planning for training workshops to the employees. Next step is the sorting of data or documents for faster processing, and this will include segregation of files and documents into different categories as per the date, importance, etc., and also what data is required for digitization, for weeding out and for physical storage. Next is listing of sorted files by keeping keywords and aligning the same with functional heads. Last but not the least is the placing of files as per list for easy access. Structuring is the next phase of DMS process, in which the structure of data will be finalized. Firstly, the master folder structure will be prepared, according to which the data will be stored. Next will be the preparation of the index sheet based on the list prepared for the sorted files. And to manage the workflow for going forward, document retention and classification policy will be prepared. Scanning is the main part of the digitization of the data. It will start with preparation of the documents for scanning, like removing staples, paper clips, sticky notes, repair torn pages, and sort into batches. Then conversion of the analog document that includes audio, visual, image, or text into digital formats with the help of a scanner. Once captured, the documents will go through document imaging, forms, processing, image cleanup, quality control, and recognition. Keep weed out files for at least 2 years and destroy the other unnecessary files. Now comes the most important phase of DMS, that is storing of data. Scanned data will be then stored in the document management system in the predetermined folder structure for data processing, storage, and transmission, because it allows information of all kinds in all formats to be carried with the same efficiency and also intermingled. Document management system provides a means to incorporate standard physical document filing practices electronically. These include storage location, security and user access control, version control, audit trails, check-in, check-out, and document lockdown. The important point for the organization which is adopting DMS is what all documents are needed to be digitized. This will include the past, existing, and all the ongoing documents of the company, which will be converted into digital format through the process of digitization. All the relevant data across all the functions as per the legal requirements of the law, and also include digitization of all company property and legal documents. And last but not the least is who is responsible for the effective and efficient management and implementation of the document management system in the organization. Here are the 3 R's for the DMS. Firstly, it is the responsibility of the management to take initiative for the DMS. Secondly, it is the responsibility of managers for improving the process of DMS. Lastly, employees' responsibility for the continuous innovation maintaining transparency. You can refer to our other videos already published on our YouTube channel. You may also subscribe to our weekly light and monthly light newsletters for all the latest updates in areas such as SEBI, FEMA, Companies Act, etc. You can also follow us on Facebook and LinkedIn page for daily updates by referring in to the details given on the slide and in the description box below. We have tried to cover the systematic procedure for data management of an organization, the needs and the benefits of the same, along with the suggested procedure involved in the said process. We have also covered the 3 R's for the effective and efficient management of the organizational data. We request you to share your views and advice on this web series, including the topics that you want us to cover in coming videos. Thank you.